Okay, today we will learn network architecture. At the end of these lessons, students should be able to explain types of network architecture, which is peer-to-peer and client-server, and illustrate types of network architecture based on the given scenario. What is network architecture? Network architecture is the configuration of computers, devices, and media on a network. Okay, look at the diagram. So there are two types of network architecture, which is peer-to-peer and client-server. I want you to look at the diagram carefully and find the differences between two of them. In peer-to-peer, each computer or mobile device called a peer have equal responsibilities and capabilities, sharing hardware, data, or information with other computers and mobile devices on the peer-to-peer network. Peer-to-peer suitable for small network that connects fewer than 10 computers. In client-server, one or more computers act as a server and the other computers on the network request services from the server. Clients are other computers and mobile devices on the network that rely on the server for its resources. Server control access to the hardware, software, and other resources on the network and provides a centralized storage area for programs, data, and information. So now we will discuss differences between peer-to-peer and client-server in terms of advantage. In peer-to-peer, it's easy and inexpensive to set up the network. It's more reliable because failure of one peer will not affect other peers, and all the peers can share their resources to others. For client-server, its centralized control by the server promotes better security and management of the network, and data backup and recovery is easier since all the data is stored in server. So what the disadvantage in peer-to-peer and client-server? In peer-to-peer, its lack of security control or other management functions. And second, data recovery or backup is very difficult. Each computer has to maintain its own backup system. In client-server, it's high cost to set up and maintain the network. Less reliable because too dependent on the server, failure of server will affect the operations of the whole network. And third, network congestion may occur if too many clients request services from server at the same time. Okay, the last slide shows the question I took from PSPM 2019-2020. The question asked the students to illustrate between home peer-to-peer and internet peer-to-peer. I want you to study the diagram. What we have learned today. First, the definition of network architecture. Second, we learn how to draw the network architecture, which is peer-to-peer and client-server. Third one, we learn the differences between client-server and peer-to-peer. So before I end this lesson, I want you to do a tutorial exercise under the 2.2 network security. So good luck guys. Thank you for watching.